Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can make a video slower in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my video to CapCut, and we're going to make this video slower. And the first thing we have to do is we can click on the video or we can click on edit. It's the same, and for me I'm just going to click on the video. Then we can click on speed button right here and click on normal because I want to make the video slower constantly, so just tap on normal. And if we want to make it make it slower, we can go left like this to reduce the speed. Okay, and after that we can click on the check mark after we select the speed that we want. Okay, and let's just play the video to take a look on the results, guys. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can make videos slower in CapCut. I hope the tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.